Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Leo Fire Sign. This is August weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Leo, what are the messages for you? Leo, what are the messages for you and what's going on? Another deck, Page of Swords. So a lot of spying is going. Maybe you are spying on them or they are spying on you. Or for someone want to communicate with you. And Ten of Pentacles with Page of Pentacles. Definitely message, text is coming, apology is coming. And I think there is no stability in this connection. You are wishing for stability right now. Yeah, lot of passion. There is lot of passion between you and your person, Leo. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Five of Cups, clarification cards, Page of Cups, High Priestess, and the Tower. So there was a separation between you and your person, Leo. So and there was a Tower moment for you. Yeah, in past, recent past, due to separation. Then you started listening to your intuition and trusting your intuition, the High Priestess. I think there are some secrets hidden in this connection. Maybe they are hiding something from you. But there is some text was came in recent past. Maybe they send a random message like hi, how are you, or for some they say apology to you, but there was some text conversation between you and your person. But in recent past there was a separation and you started listening to your intuition and trusting your intuition. Then present, Devil, and clarification called Sagittarius, I mean Temperance, Hierophant, and Six of Pentacles. So there is obsession. Maybe you're feeling stuck, you're feeling obsessed. I think you're feeling stuck. And you're being very patient in these recent times, Leo. Especially in this relationship, there is no equal give and take, there is no commitment. When you are talking about marriage or commitment with your person, they just I think they are not offering stability, they are not offering marriage. They changed the topic when you talking about marriage or commitment. They just changed the topic. What I'm getting here, but you're feeling stuck. You want marriage, you want commitment, but it is not happening. Then future, Ten of Cups, clarification called Strength, and Lovers, and Age of Cups. So you stand by your power, and for some there is happiness is coming into your way. There is love offer is coming. For some it could be a brand new person. There is love, still there is love between you and your person. Maybe for some you decided to walk away. The person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Sagittarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, especially Capricorn. So let's see your person current feelings and their intentions, Leo. Then we will get more clarity. Under the deck, Page of Cups. Definitely some text is coming, apology. So let's see their current feelings and intentions. Leo. Their intentions means actions. lot of attraction. You both have a lot of passion towards each other. Yes, they really want to work on this relationship. In past there is no collaboration, and for some you both could be colleagues. So their feelings, hermit. So right now they're going through some transformation, but they still have hopes on this connection. They're still hoping reunion with you if you're in separation. If not, they want to take this relationship to next level, but they want this celebration, this happiness with you. And lots of you are in twin flame journey, and the person involved in this connection could be Aquarius or Virgo especially. And their intention, Three of Wands, clarification called King of Pentacles and Six of Cups. Lots of you are in long distance relationship. They're still waiting on you. They still want positive growth in this relationship, Leo. They definitely want to offer stability, and they're thinking about you a lot. They want to marry you, definitely. There is commitment is coming. But it is unexpected for you, yes. But they really want to offer stability. For some, they will take some time. Maybe they are waiting for your call, for your message. If they not receive any calls from your end, then they will make a move. But right now they're spiritually awakening. They're going through some transformation, but they're thinking about you a lot, and they're thinking about commitment with you. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Yeah, they are coming back with an apology. Yeah, they did hurt you. Now they're coming back with an apology, Leo. Yeah, they have regrets for what they did to you. Five of Cups, and they're stuck on you. Definitely, apology is coming. They realize their mistake, Leo. Yeah, lot of drama is going, and you are defensive now, Leo. You are protecting your emotions. You are protecting your thought. I think you're protecting your heart from heartbreak, and you're protecting your emotions. See, you are holding back. You are not opening up to anybody, especially emotionally. So let's see mutual energies. Yeah, you both missing each other a lot, and you both are stubborn. I think they're missing you and you are stubborn. In my case, definitely they feeling guilty for what they did to you, but you are taking your power back. You are setting healthy boundaries, Leo, and they're coming back. Definitely for some there will be new beginnings because communication is coming, reconciliation and mutual love. So let's see your person messages from their end through the channel, Leo. Thoughts are jumping. Folding back. Mask. And I'm crazy about you. So holding back, mask, I'm crazy about you. Text is coming. Yes, for sure. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you. The energy is gaining momentum. So definitely there will be some moment in near future. Definitely the energy is gaining momentum. And the second message, balance spirituality and practicality. So you have to balance both spirituality and practicality. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.